So guys, that's the small update about the car. As you can see, I've put the white fenders in the front, looking gorgeous. I still have to rivet them. I ran into a problem where the M4 rivet is not threaded, so I'm unable to put them inside the car, so I have to order a new one and wait. And this one will have to cut the backside, and so I can put the white fender. Actually, I might even put the white fender and line it and do everything, and then I'll cut them later, because my wheel is still inside, so you basically see the same. I don't have an issue with that, so I can just drive it around and move it. Yeah, look at that, beautiful baby. Oh man, I cannot wait for that to be finished, honestly. So many days, the thing is so hot, and with work I barely have any time to do anything, barely. Hi guys, good morning, what's up? Another Sunday, it's been a week. Just know how hard it is to do. It's hot, sweating. Just been outside for just 10 minutes. Just how hot is it, man? What you gotta do to save some cash, yeah? I'll show you now what's up. So there it is. Now I've been riveting since this morning, but actually when I woke up, and you see the holes here. First I started with the 5mm, then 6mm is not doing it, so I need to keep on making it bigger by rotating the drill inside. And keep on trying, because I don't want to make it too big so it just floats, you know. Screw it up. Screw the screw. Crazy. So now I'm almost done. Been doing it from there. First I masked it, then I used a Sharpie, and then I drilled the hole. Now I'm putting the rivets. Should be done. Front is done. There's the pieces in there. Here it's a bit tricky. You need to make sure this fits right here, because there's a center cap. Oh boy. Oh bro. Had to go shower, not fresh, feeling better to do a video. So right now behind me, the car is done, sort of. I'll show you what's up and what I've done so far. Alright, okay, let's look at this baby now. This is the rear quarter done here. Alright, as you can see, there's still have to polish it. I mean, obviously I scratched it. It was scratched during transportation, scratched during installation. Need to do some polish. I even scratched my car. This is the front wheel. Okay, one thing that I noticed here, once I put the side skirt, oh man, what the hell? Yeah, when I put the side skirt over here in that location there, right here. Okay, once I tied it up here, this moved, and then it started to hit with the door. So you will have to I will have to readjust the just the fitting, you know, to make sure it fits right. Okay. I still have to put the front lip back in the car, and for some reason that I do not understand, believe me, here, this thing here, why does it keep on popping on? It's almost like if it was not the same size. So weird. It fits properly on my previous bumper here now, keeps on popping out every time. So before I drive, I'll have to fix this one here. Okay, putting the halo ring here, obviously not today, otherwise my wife will kill me. Because really I spent so much time on the car. Okay, this is one. Now let me show you the upper view. Okay, that's the last one I just installed today. That's 1 week worth of work. Saved me a lot of cash installation wise. One thing I want to do, the previous owner had this one, gave me bolted in. This is white and like silver. I need to make it black color. It's about it. Fitment turned out good. I still have to put the side skirt. I think I need a jock to do that properly, because it's giving me too much hard time because it's very tight. And here I made a mistake. Unfortunately, that only one screw out of all, but there's only one. See, it's plain. So that one I couldn't tighten it up. So I need to reopen all this and then tighten it up. I'll do it later. Otherwise, this is good. I try to avoid the touching part here, but it does touch. That's okay. And that's the front look of the car. Doesn't show much, doesn't do justice. There's no light. I'll take another video outside because it's quite hot here right now. So there you have it, bro. All done or completed. Only have to do the side skirts, fix that stupid front grille problem, and get some new tire, because honestly it's wide. I don't know what I'm gonna do. The guy that sold it to me is offering me to give me the rims. Honestly, I'm very tempted to go with them, because direct fitting I don't have to worry too much about that stuff. but I actually like my current rim. I just wanted to add some, how do you call it? Some spacer. I keep using them. My only problem is I don't know if it should be safe to run this much white spacers, you know, on the car. Been looking for some BBS style because this is what I really want, you know, with the deep dish thing and paint them in white or something like that. Anyways, we do what we gotta do. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I'll update you later with a fresh drop. Okay, once I put the tires on and stuff like that.